Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my week 2 of capillary schedule. So if you guys don't know what is a capillary schedule, it is a schedule specifically made for your hair type. It has some scalp treatments and hair mask which you have to do maybe twice or thrice in a week, and eventually it improves the quality of your hair and it also helps in your hair growth. So if you guys want to know more information about it and how to create your own personalized capillary schedule, I have already made a video on that and I will be posting it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And I have also posted my week 1 of capillary schedule where I have showed you the inversion method and all my hair mask and scalp treatments which I have done during that week and the effects as well. So if you guys have not yet watched that video, I will link that also in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, if you guys are interested and want to grow your hair and improve its quality, keep on watching. So today is day 1 of my second week of capillary schedule and I will go ahead and brush my hair. Here I'm doing it just to remove all the tangles that might be present and I'm using a wooden brush. Next up, I'm using this scalp treatment from Innate Life and I'll just go ahead apply pea-sized amount to my entire scalp. Don't forget to apply it at the back portion of your head as well. Next up, I'm using this electric massager to massage my scalp and I'm doing it for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So to make this hair mask, we need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. To it, I will go ahead and add half cup of water. This should take about 2 minutes. And now you can see this creamy consistency. Once it's done, we'll go ahead and take it out in a bowl. To it, I will go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of honey, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and about 2 tablespoons of any hydration mask which you have. So here I'm using Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask from Shea Moisture. Go ahead and give it a very good mix. That is how your hydration mask should also look. And now I will let it go ahead and sit for about 5 minutes so that it cools down, and then I will go ahead and apply it on my hair. Now again, I'm just brushing my hair with a wooden comb and I'll start applying this hydration mask all over my scalp, my entire length of the hair, and also on the roots as well. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and secure all my hair with the help of a clutch. And then on top of it, I will use a shower cap and my hot head treatments. After this, I'll go ahead and wait for the next 40 to 45 minutes and then I'll take this off, and after about 15-20 minutes, I'll go ahead and wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner. I'll show you guys the results tomorrow. So after that, I went ahead and used my purifying shampoo and conditioner, and this is from Kalia Naturals. I really love it, and that is how my hair looks and feels. So today is day 2 of my second week of capillary schedule, and as per my capillary schedule, I'm supposed to do a nutrition mask today. So today I'm going to be doing a completely different scalp treatment which I'll be showing you in a little while from now. But I decided to go ahead and do the same ghee kalonji hair mask for my nourishing mask which I did last week, and if you guys have not yet watched it, I will link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. I really loved the effect of the ghee kalonji mask had on my hair, so I decided to do it again this time. So let me just go ahead and show you my scalp treatment for today. So for my scalp treatment today, I decided to go ahead and use these 2 oils from Khadi Naturals. So this one is Khadi herbal hair oil, and it has bhringraj, and this is the amla and brahmi. I really love these two oils, and as you guys can already see, the benefits of these are already written, and this is completely natural and organic. They don't use any chemicals, so I'll be using these two oils. And here I'll be using approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of both oils. There you go. And if you guys want, you can use any oil which you have. You can use coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E capsules, maybe any essential oil which you want, like peppermint essential oil. Again, I will go ahead and quickly brush my hair so as to remove all the tangles that might be present, and I will apply this oil as my scalp treatment. After this, I'll go ahead and quickly use a white tooth comb to brush all the hair very gently so that all the oil from the scalp gets evenly distributed throughout my entire hair. Now I will go ahead and using my electrical massager, I will go ahead and massage my scalp for the next 5 minutes in upward position, just like this. So these are the results of how my hair looks after my yesterday's ghee nourishing mask. So today is my last day of my week 2 of capillary schedule, and I decided to go ahead and apply my scalp treatment yesterday night. So this is the one which I used, and this is the Innate Life scalp treatment for normal hair. I really love it because it has a lot of natural and herbal ingredients. So I went ahead and applied it all over my scalp, and then after that I went ahead and used my electric massager to massage my scalp in the upright position for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So if you guys want to do the same, I mean applying this scalp treatment and keeping it overnight, then I would suggest you should invest in a good quality silk or satin bonnet. I'll make a separate video when I'll show you all the accessories which I use to maintain the quality of my hair, all the silk accessories and other accessories as well. Keep on watching. So yeah, that's what I did. Now my hair looks like it has absorbed all the essential nutrients from my scalp treatment. Now I'll go ahead and today I'm supposed to do the hydration mask. So I'm going to be using a shikakai hydration mask, and I will post the recipe very soon on my channel. Don't forget to check it out. So here I have my shikakai hydration mask ready. Now shikakai, as you guys might already be knowing, is very good for your hair. It induces hair growth and it exhibits hair growth promoting activity. It soothes your scalp and it helps to fight dandruff, nourishes your hair follicles, cleanses your hair, adds shine, and also prevents grace and curbs hair loss. So now when I'm done, I will just go ahead and quickly form a bun and tie all my hair up, and then I'll go ahead and secure it with the help of a shower cap. And now I'll go ahead and let it sit for next 1 hour, and then I'll go ahead and wash it with my shampoo and conditioner. And so this is how my hair looks the next day. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family who are also facing hair loss issues. They will love you for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting a lot more amazing content on my channel, and I'm sure you guys don't want to miss on that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.